The Zephyr Security Jira is the Jira instance we use to track security vulnerabilities and exploit reports before they are made public. Within this project, we use ZepSec8, seen here, to track the CV allocations that we receive from MITRE. Each year, we will request an allocation and insert that block into the description of this issue. We will update these as they are assigned to various issues. Note that the rules indicate that a CVE should be allocated for the year, for the most part, that it was discovered in. Also note that the permissions on this Jira instance are fairly restrictive. It's actually its purpose, namely to be able to have a place to record and communicate information about sensitive security issues before they are published. If we look at the workflow for these issues, we can see that the process the issues go through ultimately ending up in either a rejected or a public state. In this video, I want to cover the external part of the CVE management process. Once we've released a fix to an issue, how do we go about updating the CVE itself? I will use as an example the ZepSec17 issue. The first thing I will notice is that this particular issue has been assigned to two different CVEs. I will not cover the numbering rules at this time, but it was split due to this particular ticket covering two issues that qualify as independently fixable. Also note that the CVE can't be updated until everything has been made public. In addition to setting the status to public, which I've done here, we also need to change the security level itself to public. In the future, we may be able to automate it, but as I understand it involves server-side scripting in the Jira instance, and our volume is low enough that this extra step is not a burden. Also note that Jira has a new workflow or a new view that doesn't show some of the key information we need. So you'll probably need to go into Jira and request the old view in order to be able to see things such as the security level or even the workflow.